Students, today we will understand the concept of management. Management is the process of working with and through others to effectively achieve organizational objectives by efficiently using limited resources in the changing environment. Management, therefore, has been defined as a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals efficiently and effectively. Definition of management stresses on three concepts: process, effectiveness, and efficiency. Process means the primary functions like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling performed by the management to get the things done. Effectiveness in management is concerned with the end result, which is doing the right task, completing activities, and achieving goals. Efficiency means doing the task correctly and with minimum cost. It requires an appropriate cost-benefit analysis to be carried out by the management. Efficiency and effectiveness are two important aspects of management activities, both crucial for accomplishment of success. Let us see an example. Annual production of a company is 6,500 units. Its manager operates triple shifts to compensate for recurring power failures. Manager achieves the targeted production but with higher production costs. Therefore, we can say this is the case of an effective but less efficient manager, as he meets the target but with more resources. Let's see it another way. A manager aims at cutting down costs while ignoring the target production. This results in shortage of goods in the market. As a result, competitors utilize this opportunity and capture the market share. Here, this is a case of an efficient but not effective manager, as cost-cutting measures lead to loss of market share. Thus, management of an organization should be effective enough to achieve its goal as efficiently as possible. For this, an appropriate balance between effectiveness and efficiency is required.